For our next step, you're gonna add in your patterns. So on your fish, in every single background section, you're gonna do a different pattern. These are some examples of Romero Britto's patterns that are really kind of in his style. So hearts, small dots, diagonal lines, squiggles, swirls, stripes, big circles, flowers. You want to make patterns that are happy and vibrant and positive. You don't really want to use words or letters or things that aren't shapes. You want to stick with shapes and lines. So whatever patterns you want to use, you can use. But remember, each section is going to be a different pattern. So if you choose to do hearts in this section, you cannot do hearts in this one or this one, but you could do hearts in one of these other ones. So for you, I would like you to start with your pencil and then go over it with your Sharpie or black crayon. But I'm just gonna draw it in Sharpie so that you can easily see it. So if this one I did hearts, maybe this one I'm gonna do stripes. Maybe this one I'll do circles. Maybe this one I'll do those lines. Maybe I'll add in some dots because that looks cool. Now, if I want to repeat a pattern, like remember I said if you did hearts, you can't do this one hearts or this one hearts, but you could maybe do hearts over here if you wanted. So I'm going to do hearts, but I'm going to make these ones really big so they look a little different. Maybe I'll do big circles. And then I really like these stripes, so I kind of want to do stripes again, but I'm going to make them skinnier so they look a little different on this section. Maybe let's do some swirls. Now you can also choose to do a pattern inside the shape of the body, if you like. So maybe I'll go with, let's see, what have we not done? What would be funny on a fish? Maybe some flowers. Okay, so now you're gonna take time, pause the video, and if you were working in pencil, you're gonna go over it with a Sharpie or a black crayon, and then remember to erase any pencil lines. So pause the video here, and when you're done with that, push play again. So your artwork should look something like this, where you have a fish, you have all these different backgrounds and patterns, and now we're gonna start coloring. So you wanna make sure you pick out bright, vibrant, poppy, fun colors. And let's say you start with pink, okay? You're gonna start coloring in whatever you like. But the same rule is gonna apply. So if I use this pink in this section, you cannot use it in the neighboring, the next door sections, but you can use it in one over here. So maybe I use it for these stripes. And then I'm going to put my pink away and I'm going to pick something else. So maybe I pick this bright orange. And maybe let's do these circles. Now, since I used orange here, I can't use it next door here or next door here, but I can use it up here. So maybe I color in some of the swirls. So you're just going to keep going and keep coloring at your own pace. And I want you to take your time. Okay, so at this point, I've colored in all my sections, but I've left a little bit of white in each one, and I'm gonna start to color in my fish. So what you wanna do is you wanna pick one color for your two fins. So maybe... and then pick a different color for his little face and his tail. And then for the body, you're gonna use those same two colors, your fin color and your face and tail color, to color in your patterns however you like.